everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera not working on Lenovo laptop. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your computer. In the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security, then scroll down and select Camera. Make sure that camera access is turned on for your device. Also, ensure that apps are allowed to access your camera. Once you've checked that, close the Settings window. Now, open the Camera app and see if your webcam is working. If camera is still not working, so let's move on to the next solution. Click on the Start button and search for Device Manager, then open it. In Device Manager, expand the Cameras section. Right-click on your camera device and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation and wait for the process to complete. After uninstalling the camera driver, go to the top menu and click Action. Then select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically detect and reinstall the camera driver. Now you can see that the camera device has appeared again. Let's open the camera app and check. As you can see, the webcam is now working properly. That's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.